Good afternoon. We're doing 2020 Tier 1 baseball for Brandon. I opened that. Oh, that's a thick one. I didn't see what it was. We'll do that one last. All right, first autograph, nice. 32 of 100, Christian Yelich. Good clean auto. Jorge Soler out of 395. Jordan Yamamoto out of 25, nice. Rookie. Reese Hoskins out of 100. Lazardo out of 395. Yuli Gurriel out of 299. Mike Mikolas out of 299. Victor Robles, 75 of 299. And Tell Me a Story, Trevor Story, nice, 1 of 1. Bat Knob, congrats, man. Beautiful card with a Rockies logo. Our first one from this product this year, obviously. Congrats, Brandon. Hey, Brandon, how do you want this shipped? Top loader, one touch? What's your preference? Yeah, we'll put that on a stand.